you all probably are seeing, I'm not in my kitchen today. You guys know that I love cleaning and keeping things clean, right? Like I show you guys my pots and stuff. So today I have a product for you all that's gonna be really nice if you have a really big glass in your bathroom, and instead of you drying it with your hands with a cloth or a sponge, I'm gonna share this product with you all. So let me just open up the box. Wow, this is really nice. A metal rose gold sparkling squeegee. Let me get the other parts. Okay, so this actually comes with its own suction cup and this hook where you can actually hang the squeegee on like this and keep it in your bathroom. So let's actually test out the squeegee because that's the main part of this video. So I'm going to be in here, I'm going to spray the glass and I'm going to test it out. Wow guys, this squeegee works really well. It's cleaning and it's pulling the soap down without leaving any streaks behind. Look at it. And it's nice and wide, so you get a lot when you come down, and you don't have to do like, you can do this door with 4 goes, and I really like it. It's really, really nice. Look at it. And it's not that heavy and it's not that light. It's just perfect. So guys, I want to show you all how to use the suction part of this, because you can't use it when this piece is attached to it. You have to actually remove these parts to get the suction to work. So let me just show you. So I'm going to show you on the glass here. So what you would do is remove this piece from the back here, and then you would go in and press it like this, and you'll see that it's holding, right? And then you'll attach the hanger to the back of it. So this is how it will go. The hanger will go to the back of it like this, and then you screw on this piece like so. Make sure this is nice and even. Once that feels tight and you have a good suction, then you can go ahead and hang your squeegee like this. So if you guys like this, because I find it so nice, especially the kind of chromish rose gold-ish color, it's really, really pretty. Really nice to keep in your bathroom. It's not an eyesore at all. So if you guys liked this product, it's from Sparkeling Squeegee. I'll leave all of the information down in the description box, so make sure and click that down arrow for the box to open up. I hope you will enjoy this quick review or demo for this product. Really amazing. I love it, and I'm going to keep it here in my bathroom. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.